Welcome to week 7 in our Math and Logic course. That's week 7 of 8. So we have assignments due this upcoming week, which would be, Wednesday the 22nd. And then our last assignments are due Wednesday the 29th. So be aware that those things are both coming up for us here. This week, as long as you're on schedule, you should be finishing up the number bases unit. I think you should just have the practice test, and problem to solve left. And then I also want you to get into the algebra unit here. The algebra unit is mainly going to be review for you, which is why I also introduced this computer algebra system calculators to you that I want you to learn and practice with. So even if you already know how to do all the algebra things, I want you to be practicing with that calculator, because in 5-10 years, if you ever need to solve some kind of equation again, knowing how to use that website is going to be way more useful to you than remembering the weird steps you use to solve equations. So here in the algebra unit, we've got this Puya's 4-step examples board, and then I think 6.1 and 6.2 are the assignments that are due next Wednesday. Now, like I said, since this is probably review, you may just want to push on and get through the algebra unit, which would finish up the course for you. Otherwise, the 29th is when everything's due. So the 29th at 11:59 p.m., every single assignment you want me to grade, you want me to include in a positive way in your grade, needs to be done. If you're behind schedule, you got to get caught up like now. If you're ahead of schedule, finish up the course. I'm happy to grade you out as soon as I notice you're done. And those are the big things for this week. So reach out if you have any questions, and I hope everyone has a good week.